The Citroën C4 Picasso II from 2013 to 2018 allows you to personalize your driving experience by changing the screen display scheme. This video will guide you through adjusting display themes and modes on your infotainment system to improve readability and aesthetics. The infotainment system is sometimes referred to as Citroën Connect Nav. To change the display scheme, start by pressing the menu button on your touchscreen. Next, select Settings. Then navigate to Display or Personalization. The exact wording may vary slightly based on your software version, RT6 or RT5 systems. Within the display settings, you'll find Day Mode. It uses a bright, high-contrast theme for optimal visibility in daylight. There's also Night Mode, which dims the screen and uses a blue-tinted theme to reduce glare during nighttime driving. Some Citroën C4 Picasso II models offer additional theme selectors beyond the basic day and night modes. The classic theme uses neutral grays for a clean and traditional appearance on the display. The urban theme features vibrant blues to create a modern, city-inspired look on the display. The sport theme uses vibrant reds to deliver a dynamic, performance-oriented appearance. Display settings are stored locally on your vehicle. If the battery is disconnected, these settings will reset to their defaults. The system does not offer cloud syncing or app-based control, unlike modern infotainment systems. The touchscreen uses older resistive technology, requiring firm pressure to operate. Because the Citroën C4 Picasso II is an older model, aging LCD panels may experience dimming or pixelation over time. Unfortunately, there are no official software updates from Citroën to address these display issues. Consider aftermarket solutions for screen replacement or repair if these problems arise.